Hi team, it's Michelle Wolf from Quality Edge, and today we're here to talk about the importance of soffit lances. So let's get right into it. Just because it has vents doesn't mean it works. What really affects ventilation in a piece of soffit is the shape of the lances, the number of lances, and the consistency of the lances. The shape of the lances can make a big difference in airflow. It can let more or less air in. Quality Edge has a more rectangular lance. As you can see, the Quality Edge lances have a wider opening because of their shape. The rectangular shape of the Quality Edge vents allow for more airflow. The number of vents on a soffit panel is important as well. When measuring a 1 foot by 1 foot section, Quality Edge has 430 lances versus 370 in the competitions. The number of vents and the shape of the vents give you the NFA of a soffit panel. What is NFA? It stands for net free area. It's the amount of air that can pass through a soffit panel into the attic. The consistency of the lances is important as well. Not all manufacturing and quality processes are the same. Quality Edge ensures that the lances are consistently open from panel to panel, giving you the best NFA center vent can have.